Ochaba batho. Come. Are dia ka pele. Are ko. Bolela ka pele. La meeting guy. Guy. Utsa malama expose the names. It's difficult because this one we must around the around the 6 later. Yes. Hello, Victor. Badia. Bonsoir, ne rolo Carolina je vais filer ba pamichi. Bonsoir rolo comment? Ça m'appelle la capitale. Kima? Kime malina. All right. So al kwani. We now dia, uberka udia, merko hoki. Bana la capitale, la sana na la merko hoki dia. Kwena kwine. What did I say to you? You are the lead. O leader of Shiwaga. We are parang. Kiko bujins. Utamaka ngeli matara wa mokai. Matara wa mokai. Amokai. Bule la kiasi wana kaseti amokai. Mumu ni mufulo mufu. So over ka udia matara wa mokai. I did say, as I was praying for her, I saw that her power is still ahead. Yes. So, okay. And then, mo kreke mo. Ki yele sa nya kinga kreke. Ale mo yanke. Lidian, wole mo chile. Kerara ki yele lidian wor batwas ka ta mo kreke. Awa yana karka la kasum kere. Ki yele lidian wor batwas ka ta. Batwa mo baskata. Oh yeah. Let's give God enough praise. Yeah, come on my girl. Come on my girl. Yes girl. Le mango mwe. Family member woman.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So you guys, a young witch was caught at this Christian church which is led by Prophet Letebo Ravalaho, you guys, and she was sent into the church, you guys, to do whatever assignment that they have sent her to do. So the prophet took her to the podium to, ask her questions as to what she was doing. Now she says that when she was asked where they meet, she reveals that they meet somewhere almost like a ground, and she says that there's a lot of young people. And when she was asked by the prophet who their leader is, she says that it is her school teacher who then gives them assignments, gives them like duties to do, who to bewitch, which house to get into. And when asked the kind of clothing that she wears, she says that all of the young witches wear all black during their meetings and of course during their assignments. And she also reveals that she currently holds the #1 position in her witchcraft. She says that she is the queen of all the young witches. And then she was asked, where does your powers lie? Where do your powers lie? At first, she didn't want to, details where her powers lie, but she ended up saying that it lies in her right hand. That's where everything lies, you guys. So when asked, what are you doing in this church? She says that I was sent here to come and destroy the prophet because he disturbs us. I was sent by my Queen Mother to come and finish everything in this church. At this point, you guys, her chilling testimony was just had a lot of people in the comment section saying, brother, why are you exposing this young lady here, and why did you want her to admit who her queen was? Because this girl clearly hasn't received deliverance. It looks like you're just doing it for the cameras. Why didn't you deliver her from whatever? Secretly do so, because obviously the people that she works for knows that she was caught, and by her exposing everything on camera, you are definitely putting this young girl's life in jeopardy. They're saying that you should have delivered this lady from whatever it is that she is going through, but not document it for your church and all for social media likes and clicks. Anyways, you guys, what do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section, and make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking on this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord just continue blessing you all.